How to remove Snapchat AI. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Snapchat AI. Now, Snapchat is rolling out feature AI on Snapchat and it's basically forcing everyone to interact with it. Now if you open up Snapchat app here and tap on the chat icon at the bottom of the screen, at the very top you'll find My AI. There is no any way, unfortunately, to remove it, but there are a couple of options. What you can do is basically tap and hold here, and here what you want to do is head into chat settings option, and here simply disable the message notifications and you won't receive any message notifications from My AI. The other thing is don't interact with My AI at all. Now if you don't react with your AI on Snapchat, it won't react or it won't interact back with you on its own. So don't interact with it, don't send text, don't interact at all, and it won't interact you back. So this way you can remove Snapchat AI. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.